You really should get a perfect 30 out of 30 on this easy math quiz, or else you might need to go back to primary school. There are no excuses for this one. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. Let's see if you can prove me right.
So, be honest.
Question 1. What is 20 plus 20? The correct answer is option B, 40. Question 2. How many sides has a rectangle? The correct answer is option B, 4. Question 3. What is half of 50? The correct answer is option C, 25. Question 4. What is 6 times 3? The correct answer is option A, 18. Question 5. How many seconds are in a minute? The correct answer is option D, 60. Question 6. What is 100 minus 10? The correct answer is option B, 90. Question 7. What comes next? 10, 20, 30? The correct answer is option C, 40. Question 8. Which number is odd? The correct answer is option C, 3. Question 9. What is 7 times 2? The correct answer is option A, 14. Question 10. How many days are in a year? The correct answer is option B, 365. Question 11. What is 25 divided by 5? The correct answer is option C, 5. Question 12. What is 1 plus 99? The correct answer is option B, 100. Question 13. What is the shape of a door? The correct answer is option C, rectangle. Question 14. What is 12 minus 6? The correct answer is option C, 6. Question 15. What is double 10? The correct answer is option B, 20.
Question 16. How many months are in a year? The correct answer is option C, 12. Question 17. What is 3 times 5? The correct answer is option A, 15. Question 18. Which number is even? The correct answer is option D, 8. Question 19. What is 100 divided by 2? The correct answer is option B, 50. Question 22. How many sides has a hexagon? The correct answer is option C, 6. Question 21. What is 0 plus 50? The correct answer is option B, 50. Question 22. How many degrees are in a right angle? The correct answer is option D, 90.
Question 23. What is 40 minus 20? The correct answer is option C, 20. Question 24. What is 11 times 2? The correct answer is option B, 22. Question 25. How many zeros are in 100? The correct answer is option C, 2. Question 26. What is a third of 30? The correct answer is option A, 10. Question 27. What is 24 divided by 2? The correct answer is option C, 12. Question 28. What is the shape of a pizza? The correct answer is option B, circle. Question 29. What is 100 plus 100? The correct answer is option B, 200. Question 30. What is 5 times 1? The correct answer is option C, 5.
Did you get the full 30 out of 30? Share your score in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quiz challenges. Thank you for playing.